Have you ever walked into a room filled with lush, vibrant houseplants and felt an immediate sense of calm? Houseplants do more than just beautify your space. They can improve your mood, boost your creativity, and even purify the air. If you're ready to transform your living area into an indoor oasis, here's how to do indoor gardening right. The benefits of houseplants. Houseplants bring numerous benefits to your indoor environment. They act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Studies have shown that having plants in your home can reduce stress, enhance mood, and even improve concentration and productivity. Plus, they add a touch of nature to your decor, creating a more inviting and aesthetically pleasing space. Choosing the right plants. Selecting the right houseplants is the first step to successful indoor gardening. Consider factors like light, humidity, and temperature in your home. Low-light plants like pothos, snake plants, and ZZ plants are perfect for dim corners. If you have bright, sunny spots, opt for plants like succulents, fiddle-leaf figs, or spider plants. Always choose plants that match the conditions of your space to ensure they thrive. Creating a plant-friendly environment. To help your plants flourish, create an environment that meets their needs. Position your plants according to their light requirements. Use sheer curtains to diffuse harsh sunlight, protecting delicate leaves. Humidity is another critical factor. Many houseplants, especially tropical varieties, benefit from higher humidity levels. Grouping plants together, using a humidifier, or placing water-filled trays near plants can help maintain optimal humidity. Proper plant care. Consistent care is essential for keeping your houseplants healthy. Watering is a crucial aspect, but it's important not to overwater. Most plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Feel the soil with your finger. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. Always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Fertilize your plants during the growing season with a balanced houseplant fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Decorative display ideas. Houseplants can be displayed in various creative ways to enhance your decor. Consider using plant stands, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters to add vertical interest. Grouping plants of different heights and textures can create a stunning visual effect. Terrariums are another great option for displaying small plants, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Don't forget to use decorative pots that complement your interior design. Incorporating plants into every room. Houseplants can be incorporated into any room of your home. In the living room, large statement plants like fiddle-leaf figs or rubber plants can serve as focal points. In the kitchen, herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint can provide fresh flavors for cooking while adding greenery to your countertop. Bathrooms are ideal for humidity-loving plants like ferns and orchids. Even your bedroom can benefit from the presence of plants like lavender or jasmine, known for their calming effects. Troubleshooting common problems. Even with the best care, houseplants can encounter problems. Yellowing leaves, wilting, or pests are common issues. Yellow leaves often indicate overwatering or poor drainage, while wilting can result from underwatering or excessive sunlight. Pests like spider mites or aphids can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Regularly inspect your plants and address any issues promptly to keep them healthy. Houseplant trends. Houseplant trends come and go, but some classics always remain popular. Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, has been a favorite for its unique leaves. Pilea peperomioides, or the Chinese money plant, is loved for its coin-shaped leaves. Recently, there's been a growing interest in rare and unusual plants, like variegated monstera or pink princess philodendron, adding a unique touch to any collection. Decorating with houseplants is more than just a trend. It's a way to bring life and vitality into your home. By choosing the right plants, providing proper care, and creatively displaying them, you can create an indoor garden that not only looks beautiful, but also enhances your well-being. So start your indoor gardening journey today and enjoy the countless benefits that houseplants bring to your living space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you